Hello there, Year 8. We are going to continue our studies. But before we start, don't forget, please, that this Friday is test day, nervous system. You need to learn the parts of the nervous system we had learned about. Endocrine system. If we use this word, I need to tell you a keyword as well, which is really important to remember when we learn about this system in the human body. And that keyword is the word hormone. I would like you to see the system here. Parts of the endocrine systems, the female and the male system are also here symbolized. So the keyword is the word hormone. Hormone means to arouse activity. What is arouse? When you increase something. So to arouse activity. It's a Greek word, not an English word, the word hormone. In Hungarian, the word means serkenteni, because a hormone is a material which can induce and start different things, procedures in the human body. So please remember the meaning of the Greek word hormone, to arouse activity. After this, we need to have a look at the different parts. I would like to share an image from the book. Please prepare your textbook as well. Page 37 in your textbook. 36, 37 is the part what we need. But first, I would like to go through the key vocabulary here, because some of the words are not that simple. So I would like to share the screen of the iPad. Hopefully it can work properly. Yeah, so this is the first one, the word list. Please repeat the words. Adrenal gland mellékvese. Diabetes, cukorbetegség. Endocrine, belső elválasztású. Endocrine gland, belső elválasztású mirigy. Immunity, védettség. Infect, fertőz. Infection, fertőzés. Infectious disease, fertőző betegség. Influence, befolyás. Invader, megszálló. Ovary, petefészek. Pancreas, hasnyálmirigy. Pituitary gland, agyalapi mirigy. Sexual gland, gonad, ivarmirigy. Testis, testes, here, herék. Thyroid gland, pajzsmirigy. So after the keywords, I would like you to have a look at the drawings in your book, this one. I can make it even a bit bigger. So let's see the most important parts of the endocrine system in the human body. The pituitary gland is in the brain zone. Agyalapi mirigy is the name. The name refers to the fact that it's a part of the human brain. The thyroid gland is right here at the neck area. The adrenal glands can be found on the kidneys, males and females as well. And then the sexual glands are different, because in ladies we have the ovaries, in men the testes. Okay, so these are the most important parts. So what can we remember so far? Let's see. First of all, I would like to show you the definition of the word hormone. So the word hormone is derived from a Greek word meaning to arouse activity. Hormones are basically messengers which are released from the endocrine glands. Now you know what the endocrine glands are. I would like you to stop here and start working in the workbook. page 34. There you can find an image of the human body, a diagram. Please label the diagram and use the names of the important parts of the endocrine system: pancreas, ovaries, adrenal gland, pituitary. Ooh, there's a mistake here because it's pituitary gland. So please do not copy this one. Copy it from the book or from my sources: thyroid gland and testes. If you finish that, of course, you can stop the video footage anytime and you can just work on these. Then I would like you to check all the important parts of the endocrine system with me, and we are going to speak about the details, some of the most important structures of them as well. And I would like to share my iPad screen as well. This first thing here is not a nice work of art. It's a hormone under microscope, special crystals of it. It's adrenaline, which is important when we have something frightening, for instance, in our surroundings, and all of a sudden adrenaline is produced in your body, and then your muscles can work faster and harder so they can save you from danger. So this is a hormone actually under a microscope. Then let's have a look at the first thing we need here, the pituitary gland, agyalapimirigy, which is really small, is the size of a pea. It makes several hormones that control other glands and body functions. For example, growing, so growth hormones are produced here. Let's have a look at the next one, is the thyroid gland or pajzsmirigy. Yeah, you can find it right here in the neck zone. If you are a man, it's right below the Adam's apple, so this kind of bigger cartilage here, and it's shaped like a butterfly. Even in ladies, it's shaped like a butterfly. It makes hormones that are important, once again, for growth, and it helps you to stay alert and full of energy. So again, the importance of the hormones is crucial in human body. Okay, the next item is one of the sexual glands, the testes. Testosterone is a major part of puberty in boys. As boys grow, their testes produce more and more of this particular hormone. Testosterone is the hormone that causes boys to develop deeper voices, bigger muscles, bigger than ladies most of the time, body hair, facial hair. And it also stimulates the production of sperm. So the testes were the next parts of the endocrine system. In ladies, the female sexual glands are the ovaries. Ovary in Hungarian is petefészek. They produce eggs. In this case, egg is petesejt, and ovaries release female hormones as well. These hormones control and are responsible for the development of the female body characteristics, of course, such as breasts, body shape, and body hair. They also regulate the menstrual cycle. So this was another kind of part of the endocrine system. We have one more, the pancreas or hasnyálmirigy. This makes several hormones, including insulin. Insulin helps glucose, the sugar that's in your blood, enter the cells of your body. Your cells need to have glucose to work. So it's like a nutrient, the energy source for them. So pancreas was the last one. Of course, there can be certain types of problems with the endocrine system. Diabetes is one of the common problems. You can read about that in the book, page 36 at the bottom. Diabetes is one common problem with the endocrine system. It occurs when a person's pancreas doesn't make enough insulin. Special doctors called endocrinologists can help treat people with hormone problems. So that's it in the book. You can read the whole thing once again, because you probably need some help if you want to match the different parts of the endocrine system with the different functions they can have. They are all listed here in your workbook, page 35. So please open your workbook there and you can start working on this one. We are going to check these in our Zoom lesson later on, but now work on this one and don't forget to learn another system. So keep up good work. And until our Zoom lesson, bye-bye.